Hello, Luke. I finally have your project done. Welcome to your robot unicorn factory as powered by Water Wheel. We'll take a brief stop in the lobby. You can see I've got the chandelier here, some vending machines for food and drink, some really high-class stuff, turkeys, cooked chicken in a vending machine. You know that we are a classy establishment. Alright, first of all, I want to give you the main tour of the robot unicorn factory. Here you can see the legs being made. The legs are being cast and molded. The next window shows the mold being created for the third step of the process, which is to mold the body and the head. Here you can see the molten metal being poured in, and it's creating the body and the head. We are almost done with our robot unicorns at this point, so but we have to do one last test. Now, with unicorns, it's important that you know that they gallop majestically enough, and we test all of our unicorns here in this little room to make sure they will be running swiftly across the plains as fast as their legs can carry them. Now, of course, it's not quite ready yet. The unicorn, of course, needs a horn. That's what distinguishes it from normal horses. So, and the horns are added here in our just right out of the factory floor. They're added by human hands because we can't entrust something as important as the horn to a machine. So, we have one here. Notice how our electric unicorn lights up a little bit when we add the horn. And you'd think there'd usually in most factories there'd be like a truck over here or something to carry these things to their destinations. No, we're more personal than that. We program the client's home address in, and the unicorns just take off and run to their destination. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you also a little bit about what's behind this process and some of the other features of this factory. So right now we'll be going back to the lobby, if the world will load. We'll be going back to the lobby and through some of the maintenance bits. So here we are. Here you can see the back of the machinery, and here also you can see where the molten metal is poured in to the molds. And what these machines do is they spit the ready-made metal into the molten metal, so that if we ever start to run out, it doesn't look like we're hurting for it now. But if we ever start to run out, we can hit this, and it'll just start to spit metal right in there. So that's pretty cool. We have another one on this side too for the to make the body and the head. So this is what we've got for maintenance. We've got. You saw I jumped over the fence there back in here, but if you were just if you were following proper procedure here, you'd go through here to turn on the galloping machine, and the unicorns come out here. Now there are a couple of things that you want added that I haven't yet shown you, so let's go back to that maintenance area. The rest of what I want to show you is on the roof. So let's go up there here real quick. I can fly, but there's a ladder I want to take. Just to show you that I did put some attention to detail into this. You can actually walk around if you're in the regular game mode. Up here, we have the water wheel. I'll get a little bit better view of it from the other side of the powerhouse. As you can see, sadly I can't really make it turn, but as you can see, it's surrounded by the water, and the river is flowing through it, so that's pretty cool. And then, as you saw, there was like a unicorn face up on the side of the building. That leads to my office, from whence I can look down on all the peasants who buy my Super expensive robot unicorns. I wanted to install a little trapdoor, like for the insolent people who come to me in meetings, but if I dig a hole there, it just leads straight into the machinery, and that's a death that, well, sets back productivity, really. Jams up the machine and makes everything terrible. One last thing. Of course, being the head of a company that makes robot unicorns does have its privileges, and I'd like to show you one of them. This is our latest prototype, the Rocket Pegasus. It's my own personal ride, and, maybe you'd like to order one, so call us at 555 Unicorns. That's too many letters. 555 Unicorn. Anyway, this is your factory. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I think Beatrice's is next, so I'll see you again in a few days. Here's a little flying view of your factory, just to make sure how nice you know how nice it looks from the outside. Get a little better shot of this water wheel too. So that's it for your project. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in a couple days.